Hi everyone, and welcome to our channel Victor Explains. In today's video is about how to fix the Epic Games launcher setup wizard ended prematurely because of an error in Windows 11, 10, 8 and 7. If you found this video helpful, please like to encourage us and subscribe to our channel. Leave comment and share it with others so they can benefit too.